welcome to Shelly's Sweet and Savory Cooking Show. So today, again, we're going to do the incredible edible egg. So today we're going to use white eggs, or you can use brown if you prefer, but the brown eggs are a little bit more expensive. So we're going to use white eggs and we're going to do poached eggs. So what you want to do is get yourself a medium-sized pan, fill it 3/4 full with water, and so your eggs don't crack, here's a little tip for you. If you're boiling eggs that have boiled eggs or angel eggs, you put a cap of vinegar in the water. So I've also put a cap of vinegar in the water today for the poached eggs to help them have their formation. So what we're going to do, since the water is already boiling, it's hot and perfect, we're going to crack the room temperature egg and gently drop it in the water, just like so. We'll take the second egg and do the same. Just like so. Okay, so you want to get a slotted spoon like this, and you want to take the water and stir in a circular motion. When you stir in a circular motion, you want it to go in like a whirlpool effect, so the eggs keep its formation. So see how the yolk is coming together and the white part of the egg is coming together in a circular motion? They are cooking brilliantly. That looks fabulous. That's the look that you want to have. And you just continue to stir slowly in a circular motion to build up your velocity. The velocity of the egg, so the egg yolk gets cooked well. The white holds its formation. This is going fantastic. Okay, so you have the whirlpool effect going on. Just keep going in a circular motion as the eggs continue to cook. They are poaching perfectly. Wonderful poached egg. So we're going to have the poached egg today on raisin bread. That'll give some sweetness with the eggs. Some people prefer with toast with a little lightly butter, or you can have it with hollandaise sauce. But today we're definitely going to do it on some raisin bread. I'm not going to toast it, I'm just going to leave it as is with my favorite raisin bread. Wow, they're almost done. So it takes about 3 to 4 minutes to have your poached egg. So see, the water's still going in a circular motion. As it's still going in a circular motion in the whirlpool, just continue to do it consecutively so you can have a wonderful finished product. Okay, at this point we're going to take them out and drain them to be served. So you just scoop it up gently. Wow, see, it's cooked. That is beautiful. Drain the water like so and gently place it on the raisin bread. And you want to do the same thing with the other egg. Drain the water like so and gently place on the raisin bread. Wow. And at this point you want to turn your stove off. Remove the pot from the burner. That's a great finished product of some poached eggs on raisin bread. I think I'll put a little bit of pepper on it. And we'll put a little dash of butter as well. And the butter will melt automatically because the egg is hot. Okay. I think we're going to have a taste, of course. They look delicious. So we'll slice it right here so you can see that the egg is cooked. So let me have a taste. Give it a blow. You got the sweetness of the raisin. Goes perfectly with the egg. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So, you can share with your friends, share with your family on how to make a poached egg perfectly in velocity water of a whirlpool. Once again, thanks again for tuning in. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching Shelly's Sweet and Savory. And remember, life is always sweet and savory.